Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in Samsung Galaxy XCover 7. So if you don't receive your WhatsApp messages, always start from the checking the DND mode. So open the top menu and expand the icons. Now just look for the DND Disturb mode and make sure that you have this feature deactivated. The next step, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and go to the eye icon. Then go to the notifications, check that you have this switcher activated with all of the notification types. In the next step, let's open the in-app notification settings and check that you have turned on high priority notifications here and here. In the next step, let's open the mobile data and turn on the allow data usage. In the next step, let's make the backup of your messages and choose storage. Select the clear data and choose delete. If you still don't have your alerts, let's open settings and go to the general management. Select reset and choose Wi-Fi Bluetooth settings. Choose the rest settings button. In the last step, try to upgrade your system, so go to the software update in the settings and choose first option. If you have any, install it and check for your WhatsApp messages again. That's it, thanks for watching and goodbye.